Installing the Soiltech Sensor. Installing the Soiltech Sensor is simple. It takes just a few minutes, and all you will need is a shovel and a way to physically mark your location, such as a flag or lath. First, you will need to activate the sensor. Once you're at the location that you will bury the sensor in, remove the copper strip that is taped to the moisture rings, and after 5 seconds, hit the sensor. It will beep once, followed by 3 beeps. The device is now activated and will perform a signal check, which takes approximately 90 seconds. If there is a signal, the device will beep and will continue to beep once every 20 seconds to confirm that there is a good signal in that location. If you hear a long beep, this indicates that there is a poor signal at that location, and you should move the sensor. When covering the sensor with soil, continue to listen for these beeps. The sensor may lose signal once it is covered, and you may need to relocate it. While the signal check process of the device is taking place, dig your hole for the Soiltech sensor. The depth at which the Soiltech sensor is buried varies according to the crop type you are planting. A general guideline is to place the device at the depth that you would typically take a moisture or temperature reading. Dig your hole to the desired depth and lay the device with the Soiltech logo facing the sky, pressing it firmly into the ground, and then begin to pack soil around the unit. Moisture is measured from the 2 metal bands around the unit, so you must ensure that soil is packed tightly around the whole unit in order to achieve accurate readings. Once the device is completely covered, please ensure to physically mark the location with a flag or lath. This will help locate the device once the canopy grows. That's it! The device will automatically show up on the Soiltech app and begin to record data. From there, you can view sensor data, create fields, rename devices, and customize alert thresholds. For any further assistance, please visit our website.